Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of Vlogmas, and I'm still a bit unhappy because my internet is still not here, so it means my Vlogmas day 1 has not yet gone up, but I'm gonna still continue to vlog, and then I will upload it when the internet gets back. Monday, December 2, and I will be going to church today, so yeah, let's go.
When it's holiday, you love to see people around you. So please remember our sick and shut-in.
Happy birthday! Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. So I am going to work today, so not much vlogging today, so I'm sorry.
You guys, I don't know what I did to deserve the sweetest, most loving dog. The whole time I was sorting through all this laundry, she just sat right next to me. Hi. Oh my god, you are the biggest love bug ever. Okay, wait, you have to see the cutest thing. I don't know what I did to make her love me so much. Like, honestly, I'm like an okay dog mom. I just sit here.
Miss Drama Queen.
And I ate none.
Ain't nobody want none. Breadfruit roasting on the stove. No mongrel dog snipping at my toes. No dance or song. Song by a choir.
Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's time.